Right, got a new heater motor to go in because the old one is starting to squeak a bit and it's getting rather annoying, so I bought a new one. So I changed this. What you need is 8mm, 10mm, Phillips screwdriver, probably bit ratchet for them, and a trim tool just to get the side bit off. So let's make a start. So there's one on, two on each end. There's one, two, and then there's one up here, and then there's two inside, just to one side. Luckily I've got a magnetic bit, so it's nice and. Then that's that out. Find the 8mm. There we go. And then probably best just to leave it dangling, because otherwise you've got to disconnect it. So as you can see, there's not much you can't see, but so there's, try and stick that somewhere, give myself a bit of light if I can. Seems like that's that doesn't want to stick. We'll do it that way, shall we? It's a bit better. So there's 4 Phillips screws, but there's a bracket just up here that's held in with 10mm. So if I take that off, otherwise it's a bit of a pain to get the motor out with the bracket in place. One, and then two, and then there's another two a bit further up, so, and then with that. So it's 3, one more. Try and get the light in place again. Just to help see a few more bits. Last time now. Right, pull the 2 wires off. fourth one almost out. Right. That's that released. So that allows you to get to the screws a bit easier, and allows you to move the heater motor a bit easier. One. Two. This one's a bit awkward because it's right up out the way. Three. And then the last one is just to the side here. Four. And then that should pull out. It's a bit tight with the wiring, but if you pull the wire onto one side, you have to bend it slightly, but yeah, that's all good. That's been making a lot of noise lately, so change it. It's done then. So yeah, as you can see, let's have a look in there because there's everything all seems okay-ish. Yeah, that'll be alright. Right. Let's get it all back in. New one, ready to go back in. Again, same as removing it, just you have to kind of force it in because there's a bracket up there a bit. But that's, there we go. So that, and oh, cut the wires, and there we go. Right. And then nice and simple. Back in, hopefully, should be nice and simple. It says, oh no, there we go. Line up probably don't. Two. It does have locating pins, so it's easy enough to get back in place. Excuse the sniffles, it's a bit cold. It's three, and then that can go out the way up there a bit. This has got to go back up there anyway, so there we go. Right. And then fourth one. forefront in. Remember to put your wiring back on. There we go. Right, now put the 10mm back in that hold this relay or module, whatever it is. And again, there's 4 10mm. So that you can't get the motor out with that in the way because it sits almost touching the motor, which is handy. Right, come on. I'm going to cheat a bit with this one because I have, hold on a minute, trying out a new microphone as well. Oh, sorry about the noise. There we go. Right. That's them two, not tight, but they're up enough to help me out. Right, now I've got to get these other two in somehow. Can't see much. Sorry about the noise. That one, 2, right. That's that. Right, what have I got here? I've got 2 wires that, oh yeah, off that switch. So, make sure they're on the right. All that wiring up out of the way. torch out now. Right. So what I'll do is I will get that one in there. Started. So now that's started. Right. That's that one. Then two on the side. I won't tighten these up just yet because I've still got to line the two up inside the glove box, and that's a bit awkward because obviously there's not much space in it. And just trying to see the holes for the clips. So, there's one. And the other one is there or thereabouts, that's handy. One, two, three, four, and five. And end trim back on. And we are done. Thanks for watching. I know it's nice, only a simple video, but it might help somebody. But it also just part of bits and pieces I have to do, just general maintenance really, but it needed to be done. So yeah,